Hello, I hope you're doing great. Today we are going to talk a little bit about how you can create a speech assistants with Maui Blazor. Now, before we continue, please remember to visit FairPlayTube.bdicostarica.com, click the Buy Me a Coffee icon, and support me. This will allow us to keep the videos and products free for you. Also, go to buymeacoffee.com/this. I'll copy the links in the video's description. And in here, you will be able to find exclusive content. Now, we will start adding full source code only for supporters in there. So if you want to have full source code of the projects and demos we are doing, you will need to support. Okay, so what's a speech assistant? So let's say, for example, that you need to communicate with people that speak in other languages, right? If you know those other languages, that's great. You can communicate easily with them. However, not everybody has that opportunity, right? Not everybody has the opportunity to learn some specific languages, and some other people actually find it really difficult to learn some specific languages because of the big difference that even the sounds have, right? So speech assistants are basically applications that will allow you to communicate easier with them. Um, Speech assistants, as I am seeing them, can help you in a couple of ways. So one way is actually allowing you to speak another language without you even knowing how to speak that language. So for example, let's say that I want to go to Japan, right? I want to go to the theme parks. I want to go to know the culture, right? I have always said that before you go to another country, it is better to learn that country's language because I feel it's a respectful thing to do, right? However, if I am sent to those countries from my job, right? If I am sent because my job sent me there, I may not have learned that language. So I know that in Japan, actually, a lot of people speak English, so that won't really be a lot of issue. Well, big issue, right? However, if I want to communicate with someone who only speaks Japanese, I won't be able to do it. So what can you do? You can actually create a speech assistants that will take your input speech, right, from your native language or the one you can speak more fluently and more accurate, and then output a translation, right, in another, or output the speech into another language. So as we are going to see in this small example, I am going to translate what I am going to say in a couple of seconds from English to Spanish. So this is the speech that I need to be translated. Depending on my articulation and how well I speak my native language, the translation will be correctly accurate or may not. Okay,
Así que este es el discurso que necesito que me traduzcan.
okay, so it actually took a while to translate it. Let me take this. I don't know if my bandwidth is actually messing a little bit with this. So let's try again from English to Spanish. This is the speech I want to translate from English to Spanish. This will stop recognizing my input language as soon as I stop talking.
Este es el discurso que quiero traducir del inglés al español. Esto dejará de reconocer mi idioma de entrada tan pronto como deje de hablar.
Okay, so as you can see or actually hear, I spoke a couple of sentences in English, right? And it was translated to Spanish with neural voice, right? This is actually using um, Azure Speech APIs to help you translate things easier, right? So yeah, this is really, really good. If you want to see how you can do that, visit the Buy Me a Coffee link that I will post, and there it's some information on how you can create this kind of applications. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for joining. Okay, thank you very much and have a great day.